How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a commission build and I guess an update on the Johan car real quick, the 64 Dodge. So before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. Never costs you a thing, guys. I don't ask you for money, support, to grow, to do any of that stuff, blah blah blah. All I want from you is to support everybody in this community. If I ever mention anybody in my videos, I always leave the link in the description below. If y'all have ever want to check out anybody in this YouTube community, when I mention them, I'll put it in the description below. Alright, now then, what this video is about. This video is about my buddy Doane Yawger up there over in California. He has wanted me to build him about 2 or 3 kits, and he's getting up there in age and he just can't hardly build them anymore, and I said send them to me and I'll build them. Like I said, I will take my time and just get them in when I can get them in. I'm still going to build my builds, guys, and stuff, but this, the Johan right now is, I screwed up those decals, the Bounty Hunter one, and I realized once the Bounty Hunter one, and I really got to inspecting those decals, they were the wrong decals for the kit that I'm building. They were for the 64 and 65 Dodge by Bounty Hunters, but it was the I don't even know the difference, the different top on it or whatever, to where this one here is the one I'm wanting to build is with this top right here, guys. I don't know the difference between the tops. I mean, there's a difference between the tops, yes, but so I had to order the decals for the car that I showed y'all in the original video. So I'm waiting on those decals to come in. So until those decals come in, the car is stalled out to it is where I'm at. So what this video is about is my buddy Doane Yawger. I'm gonna build him some kits, and this is one of them right here. This is the Moebuis 65 Comet Cyclone. You can see I've already opened the kit up, and I'm going to build it pretty much like the box art right there. It's going to be red, look just like that. He sent me this one he wants done, and I'll do it later on. It might be months down the road or whatever before I get to it, but this one here I've already started on. I've cracked into, so I'll turn around and just show you what I've gotten done, and that's basically about it. I think he's going to send me another Moebuis kit. They're all 3 Moebuis. I think it's the 60, 65, 66, whichever one the step side is. He's wanting me to build him the step side, so that might be the next one after this one that I build for him. But like I said, I'm going to take my time with them. I'm going to pop this one out for him. That'll be the first one, and then I might do another one of my builds and then start the next one or whatever, but I'll squeeze them in somewhere because he's in no rush and I'm no rush to get them, but I'm going to get them for him. So let me shut my yap, turn you around, and show you what I've got done on his car. Alright, guys, as you can see in front of you, I got the car in primer. Get this over here to you. Hopefully it'll focus. I got so much clutter. You can see where I've widened or deepened the panel lines. You can see the door lines there. The trunk, of course, I'll have to wet sand. Still got to wet sand this body, the primer. I've glued this piece in right here. I've deepened all those panel lines. Yeah, my camera's not going to focus. I even deepened the panel line there, that way I can get the panel line wash in there. But you can see right there, 65 Comet Cyclone. going to be box art car, so we're going to set that aside. And then, of course, I got the hood. The hood and primer, it all had to be wet sanded before I even paint it. I put the hood hinge on, and y'all think, well, if you put that on, it's going to be hood open. No, I did something to remedy that, and I'll show you here in a minute. Okay, so I've started the sub-assembly. I've started putting this front end together. You can see right here all the parts. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 or 15 parts just for that front assembly right there. Well, and then not to count this right here and the 2 horns. So yeah, had to drill some holes. You got to drill the holes for your exhaust. Let me find my exhaust. Here's the exhaust to fit down in the holes. You can see right there to fit down in there, and to fit back here. There's a hole that way when I do it. This rear end, all right, it was in several pieces too, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces just for that rear end. And of course, it's gonna go like this, go into the holes. All right, y'all know that. Then I've got the engine started assembling the engine. I want to paint this as a whole and then pick out the details. Yeah, other than that, this car actually looks like it's going to go together pretty good. And like I said, on the hood here, showing you I got the little hinges here, I put holes right here, and then that will slide in there like that. And then when I've already test fitted on the body and everything, and it works perfect. There y'all go. There's y'all tip to have it, and you can open it up like that, or you can even kind of have it to where it props open. But there you go. Look at that. This little redneck from Arkansas can do something sometimes. All right, I think that's going to be about it for that one. Now the Johan, you can see right here. Oh, if I don't break crap. I didn't make my own deep seat belts. I just used the kit seat belts. I'm keeping this kit to the way Johan would have had it, other than putting plug wires on it and aftermarket decals. But you can see the rubber mat is in a flatter color, and the seats are in a semi-gloss color. And then my dash, it ain't gonna show up good. My dash and steering wheel, you can see there. The lighting in here is terrible, guys. A lot of times I have this window open during the day, but this ain't during the day when I'm filming this. So there you can see I got my shifter in there. But that is going to be my interior. Since you checked last, I've got the, well, all right, I've got the engine done. It's wired. I'm the type, I don't like a clean engine. I like it to look like it's been used, so it's oiled up. You can see there. Still have to put the headers and stuff, of course. And then here's the side headers. You can see I've dirtied them up. And then they'll go through the firewall, or the side wall, and they'll go like that. Let's see, here is my firewall. Here are my wheels, and yes, I like to do the wheels the same way. I like the tires, everything to look like they've been run. Not just perfectly clean. Look at that, see? They are weathered and used. The tires are sanded. Let's see. Here is your what you call cheater slicks. Here's your front tires with the white walls. And here is the chassis. You can see right there, I've Picked out the details for it. You can still see the primer underneath, the white. You can see the grime under it from the oil and stuff like that. You can see where I've cut out the fender wells. You can see where like the wires go and stuff like that. You know, nothing special, guys, nothing special. And here is the body. It has got the chrome foil, if I can reach it. Sorry to bump the camera. Here is the body. It's painted with the Tamiya bright white or whatever it is. It's chrome foiled. So it is just waiting on decals, clear coat, and a rub, and to rub her out. You can see where I deepen those panel lines on the doors, and the trunk will really pay off. Look at that. So you can put a black wash in there or just leave it alone. Alright guys, that is it. That's all I got for this video. Let's see, I don't think I mentioned anybody in this video, so there won't be nothing in the description below, but any of my other videos will. Alright guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.